Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with a wonderful video for you today. Now in this video, I am going to be showing you 11 ways for you to lose that weight without working out. Yes, I'm going to teach you the lazy way of losing weight. Okay, that's how I lost it. So let's get into this video right now. Now we all know that exercise is a wonderful method when it comes to losing weight, and that's for good reasons, because it has wonderful effects on your body. However, not everybody is able to exercise, so some rely on other methods in order to lose the weight. So the first way that you can dabble in as far as losing this weight is eating less. Controlling the amount you eat cannot be understood when it comes to weight loss. Whether you're counting calories or simply skip that second helping of spaghetti, cutting down on the amount of food you eat is the simplest and easiest way for you to actually lose the weight. Number 2, keep a food journal. Keeping a track of what we eat makes us more aware of our eating habits, and this has been proven to help facilitate weight loss. Set aside a few minutes after every meal and snack just to record what you've eaten in your journal. And what you should do is review this once a week and compare it from week to week. Number 3, substitute healthy snacks. Now, snacking in between meals can help prevent overeating at mealtime. But if the snacks are salty or sugary junk, they may do more harm than good for your body. Now, munching on granola or fresh fruits and vegetables is a great way to stop those hunger pangs and eat healthy between large meals. Number 4, switch your coffee to teas. Now, coffee is such a very indispensable part of an early morning routine, but its alternative, which is tea, is far more healthier as a morning drink. Leave out the cream and the sugar, and tea is very close to being flavored water. Number 5, drink more water. Now, speaking of water, it's a very irreplaceable part of our lives. So we should aim to drink at least 64 ounces of water every day. So when wanting to lose weight, swapping out the sugars and fats of other drinks for plain water is the best thing you can do. Number 6, don't skip your meals. Now, this may seem like a good idea, but don't do it. Breakfast is usually the most ignored meal, and starting the day with no energy is asking for your day to go by kind of jacked up. Even if you have to force down a piece of fruit for breakfast, your body will thank you later. Number 7, cut out unhealthy fats and carbohydrates. Not all fats and carbs are bad for you. Some can even help you with weight loss. Avoiding the simple carbohydrates and processed fats, such as sugar and butter, is a simple way to control how and what we eat. Number 8, eat more vegetables. Vegetables are packed with nutrients and low on calories, making them a staple for weight loss. The versatility of eating vegetables allows you to serve them either as the main dish or as a simple snack. Number 9, add more protein to your diet. Now, sources of protein range from meats to eggs to beans to nuts. The wide variety of sources mean protein can be added to your diet, and even those with dietary restrictions will be able to squeeze in eating more. This essential nutrient should not be ignored, and filling up on it will leave less room for empty calories. Number 10, eat clean. Processed foods can be filled with extra calories, extra preservatives that can actually inhibit your weight loss. Eating clean cuts out processed ingredients where possible, making for a more simpler and healthier diet. Number 11, get enough sleep. Now, this is very important. A proper sleeping schedule is imperative, important, essential to being healthy, and can also help with keeping off those pounds. The key is sleeping regularly. Okay? Now, sleeping regularly keeps your body functioning regularly, and a body that is clinging to fat out of tiredness will have a harder time losing weight than a rested body. So get enough sleep in order for you to shed that pound, because when you are fatigued, tired, exhausted, it's harder for your body to lose that weight, okay? So try these 11 wonderful ways of losing the weight without exercising. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. If you are new to my channel, I welcome you all. But don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you will always know when I'm uploading another one of these wonderful videos. And I got more coming your way. So until the next video, I will see you then. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.